Shimao for Training Camp, and we are going to review the new IRC tire. Today we're going to talk about off-road tires. What we have right now is the new model from IRC Tires. We call this the VX30. So let's talk about the VX30. I am using a Yamaha 0250. So with this powerful bike, I'll need a very reliable tire. For the driving power of this motorcycle going to translate into the tire, kailangan siguraduhin natin maganda ang kapit ng gulong natin. Number one, the VX30, as you can see, the knobs are more on spaces, magkakahiwalay po siya. So, the good thing about this tread pattern is for the driving power, na pag once you open the throttle, you need to stick your rear tire on the ground. So, kailangan nyo ng magandang traction. With this tread pattern, it provides good traction, especially when you're going to corner. You need hard braking or stopping power. As you can see, the tread can also stick on the traction or the dirt, rocks, river crossing, and everything. So check it out, the durability of this tire. Also, you need a good tire for stability. So check out, if you're using a powerful bike, you need a dependable tire. Okay, so kung pag-uusapan naman natin ang gulong, ano naman ang kinalaman ng VX30 na IRC? This is a 110 by 100 by 80. So mapapansin po natin yung tire nyo, this tire is more on medyo matangkad ng konti. Kailangan natin ng ngipin sa gilid in order for us to corner para kumapit po tayo sa kahit na anong road condition. Pagdating sa dirt, as you can see, very dependable po yung posisyon ng kanyang mga knobs. The tread pattern also has a mud flap from here. So pag halimbawa putik, itong part na to ang kakapit, syempre may mga biyak pa rin siya sa gitna para mas maitapon niya, no? Yung mga putik na habang umiikot po to, lahat ng mga spaces niya kaya niyang ibatulata putik for a fresh knobs, exposing new fresh knobs, no? As you can see, this tire is engineered and strategically positioned in every corner. Kung mapapansin din natin, tapered yung dulo ng ating gulong na to. So manipis dito, papakapal dito. So that adds durability to the tire. Of course, sa traction, yung space niya ay malaking bagay din po just to get a good driving power. And also, the wall is makulat siya. Ibig sabihin, pag medyo matigas to, pagdating sa flat tire, hindi ho kagad hihiwalay sa inyong rims. So overall, rating ng ating VX30, as you can see, this is for racing use. Pwede natin gamitin sa trail, pwede natin gamitin sa flat track, pwede natin gamitin sa motocross, pwede rin natin gamitin sa corner track ng dirt. So if you want to check this out, for us, ito, nasubukan na po namin to. Maganda po naging performance sa amin, so why not? Don't believe what I say, just check it out. Subukan nyo po. So once again guys, check out the IRC VX30 for good driving power, traction, braking, durability, and stability. Check it out. So once again, guys, my name is Melokino. I'm the head coach of the Melokino Shimao for Training Camp. Check this out, IRC VX30.